Welcome. I really thank the chairman, Mr. Kumar Idris, to have delivered his speech, making Karachi the topic of the speech. Due apologies to Mr. Sardar Ahmed, who is also a senior bureaucrat, like Mr. Kumar Idris. I want to say a few words in reply to what Mr. Kumar Idris has said. I agree with Mr. Kumar Idris that Karachi is a dilapidated city. I agree that there is no transport system in Karachi. I agree there are numerous problems like water, sewerage, in the field of education, in the field of health. But with great regret, I must say, Mr. Kumar Idris must admit, and he has already admitted, that I have inherited these problems from the past. When in 2001, I took over as Nazim of Karachi, the situation in Karachi is very well known to everybody sitting here. May I ask Mr. Kumar Idris, what did he do to improve the transport system in Karachi when he was Chief Secretary, when he was Commissioner, when he was holding important posts in Karachi? May I ask Mr. Kumar Idris, what did he do to improve the conditions in Karachi? I'm thankful to Mr. Kumar Idris for throwing this challenge to me. And this is not the first day that I am receiving these challenges from Mr. Kumar Idris. He has been giving these challenges in the columns of newspapers and in various reports that whatever I am dreaming is just a dream. I want to make it clear. 2 years before, when I took over Karachi, everybody, including Mr. Kumar Idris, was saying that whatever I am dreaming is just a dream, but that dream has come to be true. In 2 years, whatever I have done, I must say that Mr. Kumar Idris could not do in 35 years of his career in Karachi.